on, guys? Welcome back to Motivation 3, motovlogging and basically everything motorcycles. Alright guys, I'm just glad to be out on two wheels today. The forecast looks good at night. I won't have to worry about getting rained on when I get off. That's a plus. But yeah, just on my way to work. Running a little late today. Figured I would do a little vlog for you guys. I don't know if you're familiar with this red light, but I sure am. It's horrible. Oh Lord. Like I said, guys, you know, no chance of rain really. I think it's basically about a 10% chance of rain tonight. Like I said last night, the south has been getting dumped with some rain. Not only just from the hurricane that hit land, it's just that time of year, right? And we get a lot of rain. Really cuts into your riding time. But we out here today. And, you know, it's only a short trip to work, but it'll be a short trip back from work tonight too. So we're gonna get a little riding in today. One thing, guys, I was going through as I do every night, I get caught in a YouTube wormhole, and I was watching a bunch of different moto vloggers, you know, their channels or whatnot, and I've came to a conclusion that about 75% of moto vloggers just don't like to show their face in their vlogs at any time. And I wonder why. It got me thinking, is it because of all the antics that they tend to do on their channel? Is it for, like one guy said, it was just for his you know, personal well-being. He didn't want people knowing who he was and his job and people coming to his house and things like that. What's your thoughts on it, guys? I think it's a little bit of both. Myself, I don't mind showing my face. You probably won't see a lot of it because, you know, it's behind the camera most of the time, but, you know, like I said, I don't really care either way. I know that there are some channels out there that they do a lot of crazy riding, and I probably wouldn't show my face either if I was doing that kind of riding. There's a couple of channels out west, I won't name their channels, but they ride a lot of canyon roads, racing a lot of supercars and things like that. And if they are hiding their face because of what they're doing, if cops or anybody's watching their videos, wouldn't you think they're familiar with the roads? And they would probably be out there waiting to catch them. That's just my thoughts on that. You know, they talk on their videos. It's obviously, if they get stopped, it's obviously them. I don't know if just hiding your face would be sufficient in that case. But we're gonna pass this truck right here. I'm actually running a little late, guys. make it. It ain't no big thing. It ain't that far away. Oh, it is a trike. I'll wave at the non-motorcycle motorcycle. Oh. It is hot. God, it's hot. Very muggy today. Gotta watch for cops on this road right here. They'll sneak out and get you. I haven't been on this road in a long time. This is a secondary way to going to work. I see some grooved pavement signs. I wonder what that's about. And uneven lanes. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I know on the other side of the road, a couple of vlogs back, I ventured on it, but I didn't know they was doing construction all the way up. Doesn't look bad. Actually, it looks pretty damn good, actually. So we're gonna carry on. One channel I was watching today, and I will mention his name, is 650E. He's riding a Nikon on his channel today. That's a cool machine right there. I'd like to get my hands on one and see how that thing rides. It looks like it'd be really heavy in the front, but Yamaha does some pretty damn good engineering, so they probably weighed it out pretty good. It just looks like a blast to ride. There's a lot of bikes I want to ride, but that thing kind of piqued my interest. It's new technology. Look like both the wheels kind of offset when it turned. It's kind of interesting to see how that really works. Whew, Lord. I'm going to try and put out some content the next at least 3 days. I think it's going to rain again, maybe Wednesday, and then it'll stop again. I'll try and put some more content out then. And then unfortunately it's probably going to rain on the weekend, but I'll probably have to work anyway. I'd like to do some longer rides and do some content with that, maybe get some group rides up. We will see. We will see. So, guys, don't forget about the starter bike giveaway either. I'm really dead serious about this. If you want to get in this little drawing, like I said, we'll have the details at a later date. Not today. I haven't really had time to hash it out, but I will here shortly. I just need a little bit of time to sit and think. There are some websites that you can get on that will allow you to do drawings like that and make it a little bit more legit. I'm going to check them all out, maybe see the best route, how I need to do this. Like I said, I'm not wanting to make you guys pay a lot of money or something like that. If I do like a raffle ticket, I mean, it might be like $1, because legally I would have to sell it anyway. So I mean, $1 to win a, you know, little starter bike wouldn't be that bad. But we'll see how that goes. But guys, I'm almost back to work, or almost to work I should say. Oh, grass clippings. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short here. And I hope everybody is riding safe today. If, like I say, if you're on 2, keep it rubber side down. If you're on 4, keep it rubber side down. But anyway, guys, till next time, y'all have a blessed day.